here, kids. Look, all your toys are here.
See, Granny, Ravi completed his last round in the PSGT video game.
Great. Come here, kids. I'll tell you all a story of DJ and Abby. Abby also loved to play video games just like you.
Make some noise, girls and boys, here comes a hero. Lots and lots of joy, with happiness and eyes will glow. Here is he, here's our hero. Lots and lots of happiness, watch him glow. The way to his victory, he has shown them all. Winning happily, he has taught them all. Oh, here is he, here's our hero. A gift of victory will glow.
Nancy, I need to talk to you.
I'm busy right now.
AJ, can you tell me one thing? Why are they crazy about Abby? What has he really done?
He's the winner of a super fast running mobile game.
DJ, he runs in the mobile game and you run for real. Isn't tomorrow your running competition? Show them who the real hero is.
Okay.
I'm busy right now.
Show them who the real hero is.
1, 2, 3.
DJ, DJ, DJ. DJ, DJ,
Friends,
Make some noise, girls and boys, here comes our hero. Lots and lots of medals for everybody, they will glow. Here is he, here's our hero. Lots and lots of medals, watch them glow. The game of victory, he will teach them all. The strength of his might, he will show them all.
hey! I love these medals. Even I want them.
I have won them.
What? Even I play and win. But I never get these.
Abby, you don't get medals playing video games.
DJ, you are the real hero. I swear.
Nancy, I don't run in a mobile game. I run in a real race. Here, have a chocolate.
Ria?
Granny, I didn't get the chocolate because of you.
Kids, greed for anything is always bad. You should not just take anything from strangers like these.
Why, Granny?
Greed for even the smallest of things can put you into a lot of trouble, kids. Okay, let me tell you all a story. One evening, Addy and his friends were roaming in the jungle.
Swirl around, dance around, let us make some sound. Sing along, dance to this happy song. Together we will sing along our happy song. Wherever we shall set our foot, we cannot ever go wrong. Swirl around, dance around, let us make some sound. Sing along, dance to this happy song.
Hello friends, today is my birthday. Here, have some chocolates. These are special chocolates.
Friends, something seems wrong here.
What is wrong?
Look, Humpy, they are also eating the chocolates.
Friends, I want to eat the chocolates.
We don't get so many chocolates every day, friends.
I told you all, these are special chocolates.
See, I told you. Something seemed wrong. We are in trouble now.
Okay, right now think, how do we get out of here, friends?
You all will not be able to get out of here.
We have seen you kids. You all dance quite well. Now you all will dance in a circus.
I have an idea. DJ, do as I say. Use all your strength and kick Gorgie's chain. Your kick will break the chain.
You have managed to free yourself, but it is not so easy to get out of here.
We five like challenges.
Oh, I see. What happened? Scared? Humpy, now we will never take chocolates from any stranger. Ever.
I won't even take chocolates from my mummy.
Did you understand, kids?
Granny, we have understood. We should never ever take chocolates from any stranger.
Not just chocolates. You should not take anything from strangers.
Because greed for even a small thing can put you in great trouble.
Today's lesson was well learnt by the kids. Oh! Do you kids even know how to cook food?
Granny, we wanted to give you a surprise.
We saw it on the internet.
We were sure that we will be able to cook food.
Being confident is good, But being overconfident is very bad. Sometimes overconfidence can put anyone in great danger. Okay, come on, I'll tell you all a story. In the hottest of summer days, large areas of the forests often catch fire. Woodworld Jungle was also not spared from these fires during the summer days. The jungle area would often catch fire.
Why doesn't the fire brigade truck come to our rescue every time the forest catches fire?
Because there are 2 rivers that come in the way to reach the jungle. So it takes a long time for fire brigade to reach us.
Friends, why don't we make our own fire brigade?
That's a good idea. I have an old truck that belongs to my father.
I have the ladders.
I have the pipes and the rest of the things.
And whatever else is needed, I'll get it.
But friend, we don't know how to extinguish a fire. We have no experience.
So what if we don't have the experience? We do have the confidence, friends. This time, Woodworld Jungle will not catch fire. Not while we are around.
This is how the life is lived. Fire in our spirits. We change our own destiny. We 5 are the strong and mighty. We are courageous for sure and hardworking forevermore. We turn the time and destiny. We 5 are the strong and mighty.
Oh, DJ, look there. This is Nancy's house.
You foolish children! DJ could have died today because of your foolishness.
Sorry, Uncle.
This work is not that easy. Firemen are trained and are taught how to extinguish fire. Without experience, no one should try to extinguish fire.
Uncle, we made a mistake. We all were being overconfident.
Did you understand, kids?
Yes, Granny, we have understood that overconfidence is a bad virtue.
So come on now, let's all cook food together.
Don't you feel ashamed? Only 87%?
Gupta ji's son has got 96%.
Hey, what happened? Why are you scolding him?
See it yourself, Granny. We are worried about his education day and night. What marks has he got? Now you tell me, Granny. How will he get admission in a good engineering college?
Today, I will tell you all a story. All 5 friends were having fun in Woodworld Jungle as always.
Let the flowers bloom along, bloom along. Let us sing the life song, life song. Don't tell us what to do. We will get our way through. I'm running in this race to win our spirits and grace. Let the flowers bloom along, bloom along. Choosing life that's not wrong, not wrong. I'm running in the race, energized from toe to face.
Addy!
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 Addy, your father is looking for you. Go home quickly. He seems to be very angry.
Didn't I tell you? That you have to come along with me for the big meeting in the jungle today.
Sorry, Papa.
Sorry? You are going to be the future king of the jungle. When will you understand your responsibilities?
I don't want to be a king.
You better not say this ever again. Henceforth, you will join me after school every day and will understand your responsibilities. Is that clear?
What happened, Addy? Why do you look so worried?
My father wants me to be the king of the jungle, but I am not interested. I don't want to be the king.
So what are you going to do now?
I feel like jumping into the river, and that's what I love doing.
Where were you all this while? Hurry up. We have to go for a big meeting.
I don't want to go with you.
Huh? Where did he run away?
Uncle, he has gone to jump in the river.
What?
Papa, what are you doing here?
I came to save you, my son. I thought that you came to jump in the river.
Papa, by jumping in the river, I meant diving. I want to be a diver. I practice diving every day. Jumping from the mountain into the river.
Being a lion, you want to be a diver?
If I were not there, you would have drowned. Papa, is it necessary that I too should do what others are doing? I want to live my life without any pressure. If I did not know how to dive well, I wouldn't have been able to save you.
You said the right thing, son. Not every person can do everything. This is your life. And you have all the rights to live your life as you wish to. Addy, come home soon. And do not tell anybody that the king of the jungle doesn't know how to swim.
Children have a right to their own lives. These children have come in this world because of you for sure, but not for you. Let them be whatever they want to be.
We understood, Granny. Come on, children. Let's go and play cricket.
So, today's lesson was well learnt by the parents